If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Another pen mail call, so welcome back. And what I'm going to show you has come from Mr. Announcer.
A man named Yoshanon Israel.
Yeah, in fact, he was on my Zoom some weeks ago, and he also is a pen enthusiast, loves pens, and just like what we do, journal, paper, inks, and the whole 9 yards. He's been doing it and loving it for many, many moons. So, let me show you what he sent. Comes in a little bag, like this, and at the bottom right corner would be my left, Mr. Announcer.
Is Zencraft.
That would be his emblem, would you think?
Yes.
That he uses. So, I'll go ahead and put this out and let you see this beautiful journal. Absolutely stunning. You know, everybody makes their journal to their own likings and their own ways and their own thoughts and imaginations, and they are creative where they want to make something different, not your everyday journal. Well, Yoshanon Israel has done that, and this journal, I must say, is really cool. And even when you smell it, I love the smell of this. And Mr. Announcer, you smelled it.
Yes, it's very rich, luxurious
Give
smelling.
me some more. Give me all these. If I was a wealthy man, I'd buy one of each. But I'm not, so I'm a poor man. That's the downside. Okay. So, now this is the only one that I can speak of because this is the only one I've reviewed. But he has a whole line of other journals. But let me say this. You know, he selling on Facebook, and then he's selling on SD, and he sells so many that couldn't keep up with it. So what he does now is he sells per order. So you can get with Yoshanon on Facebook and ask him about these journals. And one more important thing before I show you what's in here. He's been journaling in high school, many moons now. And he's 70 years old. Just kind of run that through your imagination, give that some thought. Okay, back in high school, we call him Yo, while doing this journaling, doing this thing, doing what we do, what we love, what motivates us, journaling since high school. And so then he thought, well, I'll just come up and start making my own, which he has, and I'm glad he's put his hat into the race because you don't want to miss this one. Let's open it up. We'll perform on the outside, beautiful leather. Add that strap here with that brass lock on it. I do like the stitching that he's done all by hand. Then on the side here, he's got this little piece of leather here. And back to the buckle in front that opens up with the lock here. You know, it's really simple. And this leather is going to patina beautifully. And there's a pocket right here. And this is the A5 bifold. And it holds the A5 inserts. And it has 5/8 notebooks in it, which I'll show you in a second. So I'm going to let Mr. Announcer read this.
This says, "May I introduce to you your ZenCraft notebook? I hope you enjoy using it as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you for your purchase and your support. Best wishes from Yochanan, Israel."
And on the back, if you could read some of that for him.
This is a ZenCraft Pacific Crest Trail A5 bifold. It holds A5 inserts and 5 by 8 inch reporter notepads.
There you go. So, we'll put that right back there. And let's open it up. And let's go for a ride. Well, first of all, right here on the marker, you have a little marker in place. It's a little bitty hand. It's handmade, I believe. See that? Can you see that pretty good? Then as we open it up, here's a notebook here on my left. Writing pad. All right. And this it's a 5 by 8 with 80 sheets. And in the back, where your notebook would go in, you'd have one of his business cards. And this is how you get a hold of him. So that's there on the screen for you. Then you come over here. Here's another A5 notebook. And then if you like, you can go ahead and we can pull this out. And you have 4 strands here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can put 4 different notebooks A5 in here, and then you can take them out very easily. Plus, let me unravel this. And here's another marker. Well, you can make it a marker, let's say. I would. 2 right here, little strings. Or you can just use one, whatever you like. And here are the strings again. There's 4 again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that makes it really, really simple to get into when you're doing a journal. For me, any kind of journal. Traveler's notebook. They have, the one strand that goes down. You can piggyback them if you want. That's cool. I've done that. I put 4, 6 into a traveler's notebook, but then when one of them runs out of paper, depending where that one is, you have to take them all out and get that one notebook out to replace it and put them all back together, which can be a pain. Now on this little string, I'm going to tie it again because I'm going to keep that string in here. Like I said, I'm going to use this for a depth marker. You can set it up your own way, have your own thoughts, ideas. It's your notebook. And then right here, you're going to have a zipper. And now, with that will come out my gremlins. And they all do journaling. Yeah, joking. Right there. I love that smell. Oh. And we'll put this back in. So we're going to get this right back in it. And I'm just going to put these strings right back here. All right. And of course, up to you, back behind this notebook here, if you choose, you can probably put a card or a letter in there like I'm doing it right now and keep it in there. So really nice, very well made journal. And one more thing, let me just go ahead and mark a date in here because this came in, what, on Friday or Saturday, remember?
Friday, I believe.
Friday, okay. 17th, yeah. That's with an N. Okay, all this. I like to do this. It kind of helps me remember when and who sent it or what ink or pen I use and put my notes in it. Okay, and I'm using the Roller Eel Black ink in it by Noodlers. Okay, so, and the paper did well. Here's the back of the paper. So, that's going to happen. Of course, you can go to his site and look up and see his other work on his website. I'm sure you're going to ask Larry, does he have any with the loops that hold the pins in? Well, I'm sure he does. You have to look. If that's what you want, he'll make it for you. That's not a problem. The man is a craftsman, a very serious craftsman. he knows his business. This is his business. They're not your everyday run-of-the-mill journals. These are a bit pricey, but the difference is in the material, the product, the craftsmanship, the work, the detail that goes into it. A lot of labor has gone into it, love. So yeah. So on behalf of Yo, to all his customers that have purchased these journals, a special thank you to all y'all for supporting Yo on his journey on journals. That's going to wrap it up, my friends. So, I hope you like this journal, and leave your comments below what you thought about the journal. Be civil, be courteous. I love to hear your comments on this journal. Until next time, God bless you. Have a great day. Be safe. Be safe to a stranger, and as always, peace and love, and don't text and drive. Bye-bye.